Imagine this. It's a Saturday morning. You look around your house and suddenly feel overwhelmed. Dishes are piled up, dust is dancing in the sunlight, and the laundry basket is about to explode. The thought of spending the entire day scrubbing, sweeping, and washing feels exhausting. Cleaning shouldn't feel like punishment, but for many of us, it does. The power of small habits. Most people think cleaning means blocking off a whole day, but the real secret is consistency. Instead of waiting until your home is in chaos, wipe the kitchen counter after cooking. Put clothes directly in the laundry basket instead of leaving them on the chair. Rinse dishes right away instead of letting them pile. These tiny actions might feel insignificant, but together, they save you hours of heavy scrubbing later. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't wait for cavities before picking up the toothbrush. Declutter first, clean air. Here's a truth nobody tells you. You can't clean clutter. If every surface in your house is covered with random stuff, mail, bags, toys, clothes, then no matter how much you sweep or dust, the place will still look messy. The right tools make all the difference. Cleaning feels hard when you're using the wrong tools. Imagine trying to cut a steak with a butter knife. It's frustrating. The same goes for cleaning. Invest in a good microfiber cloth, a vacuum with attachments, and a multi-purpose cleaner. The 15-minute rule that one of the biggest reasons people avoid cleaning is because they imagine it will take hours. But here's the trick. Set a timer for just 15 minutes. Tell yourself you'll clean only until the alarm rings. You'll be shocked at how much you can accomplish in such a short burst of focus. And often, once you start, you'll keep going because momentum makes it easier. Cleaning stops feeling like a mountain to climb. It becomes a quick sprint. Music and mindset. Cleaning doesn't have to be boring. Put on your favorite playlist or a podcast, and suddenly sweeping and dusting feel less like chores and more like a personal dance party. Changing your mindset is powerful. Instead of thinking, I have to clean, try, I'm creating a peaceful space for myself. When cleaning becomes about self-care, it transforms from stress to therapy. Work smarter, not harder. Here's a secret professional cleaners know. Always start from top to bottom. If you dust a shelf after mopping the floor, all that dust falls onto your clean floor, and you've just doubled your work. One room at a time. Another common mistake is trying to clean the whole house at once. That's overwhelming. Instead, focus on one room at a time. Finish it completely before moving on. When you step into a freshly cleaned room, you feel an immediate sense of achievement, and that energy pushes you to tackle the next one. Bit by bit, the whole house transforms, without burning you out. The power of baking soda and vinegar. You don't need 10 different chemical sprays. 2 of the simplest, cheapest, and most powerful cleaning tools are already in your kitchen: baking soda and vinegar. Sprinkle baking soda in sinks and tubs to scrub away grime. Pour vinegar into a spray bottle to cut grease and disinfect surfaces. Combine them for drains that smell fresh and flow freely. These natural cleaners not only save money, but also make cleaning safe for kids and pets. Create a cleaning routine. Imagine how chaotic life would be if you only showered once every few weeks. That's exactly what happens to a house with no routine. Dust builds, dishes pile, and before you know it, you're stuck with a monster mess. Instead, create a simple weekly schedule. Reward yourself. Yes, cleaning is work, but why not reward yourself for it? Light a candle in your freshly cleaned living room. Make a cup of coffee and enjoy it in your spotless kitchen. Watch your favorite show after finishing the laundry. Linking cleaning with a small reward tricks your brain into looking forward to it. Conclusion: a clean home, a clear mind. At the end of the day, cleaning isn't just about shiny floors or spotless counters. It's about peace of mind. When your home is clean, your thoughts are calmer, your mood is lighter, and even your sleep improves. So the next time cleaning feels overwhelming, pause, breathe, and try these simple strategies. You'll be amazed at how much lighter your home and your heart feels. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful, life-changing guides to make your daily routines easier and more joyful.